Hello guys, welcome back again to MJ Crypto, and in today's video I'm going to be revealing to you an amazing strategy that you've never heard before. All right, now what does this strategy actually entail? It's simple. It's a rebalancing model. Okay, we call it the market neutral strategy. It's a trading strategy whereby we take two positions, a long and then a short. Okay, simultaneously I'm making profit from the returns. A lot of you may call it hedging, a lot of you may call it arbitrage, but in the real sense, this is a market neutral strategy. So you do not really need to bother about the direction the market is heading to, if it's going up or if it's going down. It's none of your business. What exactly is your business is that you are making profit on daily basis and on any trade you take. So how does this actually work? It's simple. I'm going to show you guys right now. Let's proceed, guys. Now, major coins, most especially the altcoins, have fundamental use cases. Would you agree? Good. And because they have fundamental use cases, they all move in the same direction. Specific coins, I'm not going to disclose that right now. It's for those who are in my premium class. Okay, I'm going to actually disclose those particular coins that move in the same direction. So now, here's the juice. If one of those coins, let's say for instance BTC and BNB, for instance, actually move on the same frequency, they don't actually, but I'm just giving you an instance. If they move on the same frequency and BTC goes up to a large extent and then BNB comes down, because we know they move at a particular frequency and they are going to converge back to the same frequency they are supposed to move on, we will what? Short BTC down and long BNB up. In other words, BNB is going up and BTC has to come down for them to meet at a crossroad, for them to meet at an equal frequency. All right, that is what we call coin correlation. Okay, this happens very, very frequently in the crypto space, especially in this bear market. And trust me, you can make so much money from this. Okay, this is a massive update for you guys. So if you're interested and you want to get him on board, send me a DM. The link is in the description of this video. I'm going to put you through how to get started from A to Z. It's very simple, it's not complex, and you can make steady returns on daily basis. You do not care to know where the market is going to. Just take positions from two coins and then you are good to go, and you make steady profit every single day. With $100, you can make as high as $35 to $40 every single day. You know what that means, guys. So the link is in the description of this video. Send me a DM and let's proceed from there. Cheers, guys. Love you. Peace out.